Ever thought your boat's audio could be this powerful? Meet the Sony DSXM55BT.
Ever felt like your boat's audio system is fighting you instead of helping? You're cruising, the sun's shining, but the old stereo sputters, the Bluetooth drops, and you can't even hear your favorite playlist over the engine. Sound familiar? If this frustration hits home, drop a comment below and let's turn that irritation into pure sound bliss on water.
Picture this. You're racing against the tide, trying to finish a presentation while the boat rocks and the audio cuts out every few seconds. The stress builds, your crew's patience wears thin, and you wonder if you'll ever enjoy a smooth soundtrack on the water. Imagine if there was a way to take control without adding more chaos for you. Meet the Sony DSXM55BT. The marine-grade digital media receiver that turns your boat's audio nightmare into a symphony of crystal-clear sound. Built with a UV-stable IPX5-rated faceplate and a conformal-coated circuit board, it laughs at salt spray and relentless sun while delivering 4x55-watt peak power that fills the cabin with rich, punchy audio. One-touch NFC pairs your phone in seconds, and the front USB slot reads MP3, WMA, AAC, WAV, and even high-resolution FLAC files without a hiccup. Imagine a busy captain who spent hours wrestling with the floppy old stereo until he installed the DSXM55BT and heard his favorite rock anthem blast through the speakers, the bass thumping like a drumbeat on the water. Here's a secret tip. Enable the extra bass mode and you'll feel the low end hit your chest, perfect for those sunrise cruises. Keep reading for the bonus trick that will make your sound setup unstoppable. The unit also supports Siri Eyes free for hands-free calls, and the included wireless remote lets you adjust volume from the helm without leaving your seat. The Sony DSXM55BT doesn't just play music, it transforms the entire boating experience. With its 13-band graphic equalizer and dynamic reality amp 2, every note feels alive, cutting through engine roar and wind like a knife through butter. A marine electronics expert called it a benchmark for its category, praising the robust build that survives salt spray and UV exposure without compromise. A boating influencer raved, "The Bluetooth never drops out even on choppy water, and the dual phone connection means we never fight over the playlist." Even an industry analyst noted the smart elimination of the CD mechanism, reducing failure points from vibration. Real users echo the sentiment. One captain said, "Installation was a breeze, and after 2 seasons, the unit looks brand new. Sound quality is a massive upgrade." Another weekend boater added, "The NFC tap-to-connect feature lets guests jump in instantly, and the extra bass really makes the low end punch through the hull." Which feature would save your day? Comment below and tell us which upgrade you've prioritized. If you're struggling with unreliable audio, this may change your game. Comment yes if you want to unlock the secret tip inside. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your workflow today. Limited stock is flying off the shelves as thousands of boaters upgrade to the Sony DSXM55BT and never look back. Join the community that's already enjoying rock-solid Bluetooth, crystal-clear calls, and bass that makes the water vibrate. Click now and unlock an exclusive preset that syncs the EQ to your boat's engine speed for ultimate immersion. If you're ready to ditch the frustration, secure yours today and feel the difference. Don't wait. Grab your unit, hit the water, and let the music move you right now.